Friends, March 15th, we are at Walgreens. We are in store doing deals, including 2 freebies. So buckle up. This is a really great week. There are some deals that are moving very quickly, and I think they might get pulled because there is some issues. The 5-pack when you spend 15, I'm going to do 2 different baskets with that in store and how we're going to have the most amount of success. Tomorrow with the curbside deals, we'll also have other deals as well. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing that because it really helps out the video. Okay, so let's start this strong with the 2 freebies. The first is an 8x10 print using the code PRINT for you, 1 print per account. When you go and pick up your print in store, punch in your phone number and possibly a paper booster will print for you, especially if you never receive anything. It very well might. The second freebie is with the Fetch Rewards app. It is for a pint of the Kinder Bueno ice cream, which I believe is a new product. This must be done at a grocery store in your town. It's probably going to be itemized, but it is this guy at my local Meijer. I believe a pint of this is $3.49. So I would go and pay for that. Photograph my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, double, triple check you have the same rebate as I, and you're going to get all the points back. That's how it typically works. And this is typically 1 per account. I know this is not specifically at Walgreens, it's at any grocery store, and your grocery store will be itemized immediately. But paying $3.49, you'll get back 3,490 points, which is basically that amount, and it equals it to 1 freebie. If you have not signed up for Fetch, here is my referral code. Sign up today. You're given an extra 2,000 points, even if you're buying Taco Bell and photographing that as your first receipt. Yesterday, I made a video with Home Depot clearance, some of it 70, 80% off. It's not just the typical like a bunch of nails. It's some really cool stuff. I'll link this video at the very end. This was the deal I was talking about yesterday. It is in fact working in store. When you buy 2, the cashier is supposed to give you a $5 gift card. Now, typically now, apparently the rumor on the street is that if you buy more than 2, you're going to get 10 back. They might pull that at any second. If not, it might be pulled already. The safest way to do this is to do this curbside. And as you see, I'm getting the 200 count because the smaller bags are not part of it. And it'll say below, earn $5 when you buy 2. So it's very obvious what you're buying. It's basically shaking out to a BOGO free, except for these cotton balls. They are quite the little deal. And then these cotton swabs, $4.99. So when you're getting $5 back on the purchase of 2, it's like a BOGO free. It's not a super-duper deal. But when's the last time these cotton swabs we got a deal on it? I'm thinking never. And then also these for makeup rounds, very similar to that 200 count of the little balls. So you choose which one you want. I know that for a lot of makeup girlies, this is the gold standard, these ones. So just tossing 2 of these makeup rounds into a cart, it's $6.98. You can use WAG 10. You'll obviously need to get to that $10 threshold, but you're getting $5 back for buying 2 of these products. It basically makes 64 cents as a curbside or 99 cents in store. And I will let you guys know in store, if you're expecting the cashier to do this Price is Right moment to just shower you with those $5 gift cards, if you're trying to do like 15 per transaction, they might only give you 1 and then give you a lecture of, well, we can only give out 1. So doing it curbside, I think, is the smartest way. And this is also part of the progressive spend 25, earn back 10 on beauty. So we'll investigate this more tomorrow in a beauty basket, but just be smart about it because last time this was also a big mess. At a basket utilizing this, the 5-pack when you spend 15. Obviously, if you have a $40 basket, I would probably throw this in with a beauty basket. Why not? It is to grab for like an assortment of P&G laundry care. So the Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, all priced at $5.49. Make sure it's tagged at your store. A scent bead, and then that rinse and refresh. It's part of this promotion that when you buy 4 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward. And the interesting thing is the scent beads and the liquid have $2.50 coupons, which are really fantastic. And then for the Tide Liquid and the Tide Pods, we have dollar coupons for both. So make sure you load all of these following friends so we are all on the same page. Just to make sure that everything goes perfectly for you today, and make sure what you're grabbing is in fact tagged as well. So grabbing for an assortment of these laundry care products, it's $21.96. We have $7 in digital coupons. Like, this never happens, guys. Have your digital 5 back when you spend 15 booster loaded. So after all of that, the total is $14.96. You can pay that with your debit card. Alternatively, if you have other register rewards that you want to throw into this, do it for a smaller out of pocket. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward, making it $4.96 for the 4 or $1.24 per laundry care product. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using that goofy booster of spend 15 to earn back 5, but not a bad little basket anyway you slice the pie. I really like this one. You get a nice assortment of laundry care at a very cheap price. Alternatively, there's a lot of Tide products, the liquid and the pods for $10.99. That is the cheapest price. We have $3 digital coupons, dropping it down to $7.99. If you want to double it, a Tide liquid and a Tide pod, what would that be, like $15 and some change for the two? A really, really great deal. And we never see this price point of $10.99, even at Walmart, for some of this nicer Tide. So if you wanted to stock up with $3 digital, by all means. If you have that $40 booster, this would be optimum as well. I know that some households it's Tide or nothing. So you would load this $3 for the liquid and the $3 for the pod. Another great deal that we have this week is on the soft soap. We have this 4 off a 2 digital coupon. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you get back a $2 register reward. And they gave us that 4 off a 2, so you have to choose if you want to do the Irish Spring, the body wash, or the hand soap. I think a lot of us would go for the hand soap because that's what we do. So grabbing 2 of these magics, it's $11.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I would definitely hang on to my receipt in case IBOTTA might have a rebate for this as the week marches on. You have a week post to apply for IBOTTA rebates. Hang on to that receipt. The very best shampoo deal of the week, I think, is with the Elvive and the OGX. We have a 4 off a 2 for the Elvive and a 6 off a 2 for the OGX. It's part of this promotion to spend $25 to earn back a $10 register reward. And these are the coupons that you're going to load that showed up this morning. That's basically $10 off in manufacturer coupons, which is absolutely fantastic. And if you have that 5 back when you spend 15, it would be an even better deal if you had a booster to go with it. Or a 10 back when you spend 40, this would be what, $25 towards the $40 basket. So grabbing 2 of these Elvives, it's $10.98, and then 2 OGX for $14.98 on a buy one get one 50% off. That's $25.96. $10 in digitals melting off, $15.96. You're going to have to pay, use register rewards, Walgreens cash, whatever you wish if you're doing it without a booster. Getting back a $10 register reward, making it $5.96 for the 4 items or $1.49 each. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have a $10 register reward from the week previous from another beauty deal, if you roll it into this one, a second register reward will probably not print as you're doing the same promotion again. And you can't roll a register reward from week 1 to week 2 on the same promotion. A different promotion like Colgate or Crest, yes, but not on the same beauty one. Now, if you did this deal last week, sorry you can't do it a second week in a row, but this is a really great deal for this Venus and this Gillette to get them like under $1 each, which is a really great deal. And these are disposable razors. It's part of this buy one get one 50% off with a $5 reward when you spend 15 or more, which is always great. We got some really great coupons that include the $5 off and a $4 off. That's $9 in manufacturers right there. So that is quite fantastic. Just to show you guys my receipt, I also threw in a $2 register reward from something I had. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, paid basically down the tax. It'll be an extra $2 if you don't have an extra register reward to throw into the mix. And then I got this friend back. So it was really just a great deal any way that you look at it. And I love getting cheap razors because we typically don't get this one item that cheap lately. It's always a couple of dollars out of pocket. Another super deal is the Axe body wash that is buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, which is quite fantastic. I love this coupon when it shows up. They want us to have this body wash really cheap. Having 2 of these, it's $8.98. Subtracting that 5 off of 2, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per Axe. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but for a $40 basket, spend $40 to earn back $10, this would be an ideal product to grab. The paper deal of the week again goes to Scott. The toilet paper and paper towel are on this same promotion because we have a 2 off of 2 manufacturer plus a $1.25 store coupon, which makes them so cheap for these large bags of either the 6 count of the paper towel or the 12 count of the toilet paper. So I love when this promotion shows up and it's working on both. Again, if you didn't use your coupons last week, and I know a lot of us, the stock just was missing from the store, and that certainly happened at my store. But say grabbing 2 of those paper towels for $10, subtracting that 2 off 2 digital, and the $1.25 store coupon will double to $2.50. You're paying $5.50 for the 2. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little transaction to get some cheap paper towels. Or toilet paper, I would definitely stock up right now, guys. I think it's a really smart purchase. Another deal I absolutely love this week is on the $6 Colgate brush and the $6 Colgate paste. We're going rich for this one. Not the cheap stuff, the expensive stuff. Because this morning we got a $3 off for the paste and a $3 off manufacturer coupon for the brush. These 2 are new, and it's going to make it really cheap. And that Colgate toothbrush is really nice, by the way. I have it in my bathroom right now. I really enjoy it. But 1 brush and 1 paste for $12. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, that's $6 off. You're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This would be perfect for that $40 basket if you might have it. The spend $40 to earn back $10. $12 is a large chunk of that. The final deal I have prepped for you is on the 350 Crest or Oral-B products. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I believe that's from like last week or the week previous if you didn't use it. But you're grabbing an assortment of these types of products priced at $3.50. Make sure they're tagged at your store. And this is the digital coupon that you're going to have to load. So grabbing 3 of these products, it's $10.50. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is a winning deal. And in case you missed my Home Depot video, it's linked right here. Check it out. If you are not dealing with a snowstorm today, I would definitely go to the Home Depot and see what they might have. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.